Good afternoon. I'm going to tackle the greenhouse effect. So what is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect refers to the process by which gases in Earth's atmosphere trap heat. Sunlight passes through the atmosphere to the Earth's surface, where it is absorbed and radiated as infrared radiation. Some of this outgoing infrared radiation is trapped by certain gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and nitrous oxide, and others. These gases act like the glass panels of the greenhouse, allowing sunlight to enter and warming the Earth's surface. However, the enhanced greenhouse effect primarily caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes has led to an increase in the concentration of these greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This excess trapping of heat results in the global warming and climate change. So kasagaran yung nag-release of greenhouse effect or toxic gases sa atong atmosphere is ang mga mga factory, mga sakyanan ug mga power plant nga nagamit og fossil fuels para maka-generate or to produce power. The consequences of this enhanced greenhouse effect include rising global temperatures, change in weather patterns, melting polar ice caps and glaciers, rising sea levels, more frequent and severe weather events, and disruptions to ecosystem and biodiversity. So dako kayog impact ang kaning greenhouse effect sa atong Earth kay ang effect jud aning greenhouse ang pinakam kuan kay kaning global warming. So effort mitigate the greenhouse effect often focus on the reducing greenhouse gas emissions, transitioning to renewable energy source, promoting energy efficiency, implementing policies to limit emissions, and adopting sustainable practices to minimize the human impact on the environment. So cause and effect. So first, let's talk about cause. Burning fossil fuels. The burning of coal, oil, and natural gas for energy and transportation release large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So deforestation. So ang number one mo tong gingon kanina. So deforestation, the cutting down of trees and forests reduces the planet's capability to absorb carbon dioxide, leading to increased concentration of this greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. So deforestation is kadto na siyang mga factory or mga producer nga naggamit og mga trees, sila mo hinungdan nga nung nahurot ng daghan nagnaiban nga kanang trees sa atong kanang planet. Industrial processes. Certain industries activities such as cement production and the manufacturing of the certain chemicals release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. Human activities. The primary cause of the enhanced greenhouse effect is human-related emissions, burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, natural gas for energy. Transportation and industrial processes release large amount of CO2. Deforestation reduces the planet's ability to absorb CO2, while certain industrial and agricultural processes practice release methane and nitrous oxide, contributing to increase the concentration of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So next we talk about the effects. Ang epekto sa greenhouse effect, so kay global warming, climate change, melting ice caps and rising sea levels. So let's talk first in global warming. Global warming increase concentrations of greenhouse gases trap more heat in the atmosphere, leading to the rising global temperatures. So mao na itong na-feel nga init kis tanan karon. Climate change. Change in the temperature patterns can distribute weather system after precipitation patterns and lead to extreme weather events like hurricanes, heat waves, droughts, and heavy rain. Melting ice caps and rising sea levels. Warming temperatures cause polar ice caps and glaciers to melt, contribution to rising sea levels, which can threaten coastal areas and ecosystem. Ecosystem disruption. Climate change affects ecosystem and biodiversity, causing shift in habitats, migration patterns, and endangering various species. Human impact. Climate change can affect human health, food security, water resources, and socio-economic stability, leading to challenges in various aspects of life. So mao to siya no, daghan kay epekto ang greenhouse effect sa atong environment. So that's all. Thank you.